Hi guys, so this is Canon F789 SGA. So pag meron tayong linear equation with two variable, ang ginagawa natin, we use the elimination method or substitution method. So substitute muna tayo. X is equal to 6, then transpose 3y minus 3y. Ito na yung value ng x natin. Then by substitution, we plug the value of x to our second equation. It will become 2 times 6 minus 3y plus 8y is equal to negative 12. Then we can now solve for the value of y. So distribute 12. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6y. Just copy 8y is equal to negative 12. Now combine like terms. This will become 2y is equal to negative 12 minus 12. Change the sign. So 2y is equal to negative 24. Therefore, divide by 2 to get y and give us negative 12. Yan. And for x naman, plug in na natin yung value ni y. 6 minus 3 times 12. So x is equal to 6 minus 30. Negative to, so this will become negative. Negative times negative, positive 36. So x is equal to 42. Now, using our calculator, kahit di ka na dumaan sa process na ito, plug in lang natin sa calculator, makukuha natin yung value ni x and dy. So all we need to do, kunin lang natin yung mga coefficient ng ating mga given. So this is our first equation, then second equation. So sa first equation, coefficient is 1, 3, 6. So lalagyan natin 1, 3, 6. Then ang second equation, 2, 8, negative 12. 2, 8, negative 12. So try natin dito. Ayan. So on muna natin, naka-on na. Then punta ka sa mode. Yan, mode. Then makikita mo si number 5 na equation. Number 5. Click mo lang yan. Then we have 2 unknown or 2 variable. So press down natin yung 1 if we're looking for 2 unknown or 2 variable. So press natin si 1. Then ibibigay niyan sa atin yung A, B, and C. Now, yung A, B, and C, makikita ninyo, sinulat ko na dito sa board. No? So we have A is 1 equals lang natin para mag-move tayo sa next, which is 3. Tapos yung next is 6. Tapos baba tayo, second equation. Ang A naman daw niya is 2. Tapos 8. Tapos negative 12. Ayan, pag na-plug in na natin lahat, dapat mag-match. Equals lang natin. So, ayan. So x is 42. Ayun yung lumabas na value ni x. Then y is negative 12. So, kahit di ka na mag-solve, basta meron kang Canon F789 SGA, kaya mo nang i-solve. So, bili na! Just click the yellow basket.